What's going on YouTube? This is Liberty Tech here, back with another video. And as you can see, I have a device here that my wife brought me for Christmas. It's been a little busy since I just had my newborn son the other day, so it's taken me a while to get to do an unboxing video. So let's get into it. So this is called Tello. It's powered by Intel, and also, well, it has Intel chip inside, and powered by DJI, as you can see there. So taking a quick look around, not much going on. Let's see, so on the back here it says 13-minute max flight time, not too bad. 720p HD transmission camera, and 5-megapixel camera, precise hovering, electronic image stabilization. So those are some of the things that are built into this device here. So let's go ahead and open this. We got a simple package in here. Looks like an egg carton. Let's go ahead and pop this open. And there we have it. As you can imagine, very light. You got the protective barriers around the propellers here. I did have a previous drone, and with that one you had to attach these on your own, but this is pre-built. So it was your 720p 5-megapixel camera, and this is where you would install the battery. You have your micro USB connection there, and what else do we have? That's pretty much it. And this is the battery here, 13 minutes flight time. And again, your micro USB connection. You have your manual, which I'm pretty sure you probably won't read anyway, because who reads those nowadays? And then you have extra propellers. Let's go ahead and pop this open so I can show you guys, because this is the tool. The tool in order to take them off and add them on. So we don't want to lose that. The propellers here. Very nice, just in case they get damaged, which I'm going to try to avoid. Let me go ahead and pop this back in here so not to lose it. And basically, that's it, guys. So, hopefully I'm pronouncing this right. So this is Tello. I will be leaving the website down below where you can purchase it. So yeah, I'm going to be using this. Hopefully see how it looks on the real estate side, because my wife does do real estate, so this will become very handy. And just having overall fun with drones. And yep, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit that thumbs up button, like and subscribe. Well, thumbs up, same thing. And subscribe. Peace out.